Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to be trying loads of American snacks and British snacks that we've never tried before. So, let's get into it. We're going to be trying a drink, which is, we have three. So we have Lucozade Sports, orange and peach. We have a mango drink, bunco, and a fruit chew orange. So, which one are we going to try first?
My most excited one is this one, because
you've had it?
Yeah, but I had it before so many times, but I haven't tried this or this, but I'm excited to try this for some reason, so.
Alright, so first we're going to try, let's go biggest to smallest. Oh, first we're going to try this first. Oh my goodness.
It just sprayed everywhere! Sisters, if you have a brother and you're a sister of them, wipe them on their body. I don't know what that is.
Cool.
Bleep!
Let's go.
What one is this? Oh.
That's alright, I like that. It's been all over you. How is that possible? I actually really like that. That's alright.
That's good. That's actually sick. Are you drinking more? Fruit shoot. I gotta pour this one. Open it. Open it.
I knew she couldn't open it. That's why I was sick.
Almost spray it though. Me first.
Alright, don't give me loads. That just tastes so much sweeter to this.
Oh yeah, this is so much sweeter than this one. This is more of a basic plain one. This is more of like a tasty one, like it has more flavour. To be honest,
This is way too sweet. This has way more flavour.
Be quiet. To be honest, I like this one better than this one. It's kind of weird, but I've never said that before, so.
Those are the two drinks. Well, we have one more drink.
I don't want to try this.
Mango.
Oh, they're so cute.
Song. Oh, and there's a little cloud.
It's so cute.
I think you should.
I don't want to try it.
Yeah.
No.
There's weird pieces of stuff inside. It's like fruit.
I'm not trying that. No.
Only a little bit. You have to have a little bit.
No. What?
There you go.
No. Give me just in case. I might puke.
3, 2.
No, I want to try it. Ooh. How do people like that?
Let's hold on. Oh, I think Leah's gone because I think she puked. I think she puked.
Okay, so I'm back. But that wasn't really good, so. What's next? Can I pick it? Can I pick? What's this? Okay, Nikki does. These are my favourite snacks.
Banana burger, cheese. They have loads of other flavours like almond and nut.
Yeah, there's a mocha. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah. Is it mocha? Mocha?
Matcha.
It's not matcha. Wait, guys, which one is it? Mocha, mocha, or matcha?
It's matcha. Penny.
It is not matcha, or whatever. Okay, let's try this one first. This is my favourite snacks. I eat it like my favourite. Like if I get to pick anything to eat, it would be this. I love these. But I've never tried this before. This is milk chocolate flavour.
And this is cookies and cream. Wait, cookies and cream is sick.
Get one.
They're coconut chunks, they're not mango chunks.
Get one. Ready?
I like these ones.
Just pick one.
That's how you do it, look.
3. In the camera. 3, 2, 1.
I'll eat it from this one. Oh my god. They're good. I give them a solid.
No, I don't feel that. What's that?
8.9. I give that a 6 out of 10.
We forgot to rate it.
Alright, Leah was very sad because we forgot to rate it, but what do you rate that?
This, out of 10, 9 out of 10.
I also give that a solid 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Negative 10 out of 10.
I'll give it a 5. That's good.
This one, 10 out of 10, baby.
I'll give this a solid 9. It was actually.
Alright, time for this one. I'm not too excited about this, but I do like cookies and cream, so let's go. That's the packaging. It's already opened, but yeah. It's just what? Oh my god!
It actually looks nice.
Look at the difference.
These are 20 times bigger. Look at that. Beastie.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Not bad.
It's okay. It's okay.
That basically was bad.
Right, so you rate it.
I wouldn't eat it.
I rate it 3.2. Next snack.
Oh, that's good now. Ooh, chocolate cakes. I love this. And now we're gonna be. I know Nia's not gonna throw up on this.
This is kind of weird, but
I'm filming at the same time she's filming.
this is.
Oh my god, look.
This is my.
Goes on forever.
This is my brother's phone. He's filming for his YouTube channel, and this is my phone, and I'm filming for my YouTube video. My YouTube. So.
I can't open it.
Come on.
I can't open
You
it.
dumb. Look, there's a little piece thing. You kill that. Dumb brothers these days.
Why'd you flip it?
I didn't flip it. These containers are small. You can't flip them.
Ah! Dropped it.
3, 2, 1. I've had these before, but it's been so long.
They taste different. I had these like 2 years ago.
Same. It's been so long since I've had these.
Yeah.
What do you rate it?
8 out of 10.
Me personally, I love chocolate, but like, I hate chocolate, but I also like chocolate, not love chocolate, so probably
The first thing we
7, be quiet, 7.2, give me my juice. What's next?
So I feel like Leah hated the bottle splits.
But I hated, the least favourite is the,
The mango.
no, get it out of my face, right, next one. Is this good?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. Oh yeah, it is mine. Next one.
Fruit snack.
No, I don't like fruit snacks. I've never tried fruit snacks before, so I'm not entirely sure.
Yeah, that's what.
He's had it before, but I haven't.
So this is banana and strawberry.
And this one is, what does it say?
Mixed fruit.
And this is mixed fruit. And this is banana and strawberry. I don't know which one to have. What if you have the pink one, I have the other one, and we take them home?
That's good.
Mom. Ready? No, don't put it in your mouth. You have to go at the same time.
I like these.
Oh my god, these look so adorable.
I know, they're little shapes of the fruit.
They're little fruit.
So look, this one's shaped like a banana.
This one's like a strawberry or a grape. I'm not entirely sure.
And then this is
that's a lemon. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one. What about you?
I already put the strawberry in my mouth.
What? Stop eating them.
And now that's the banana.
You can have that packet outside this packet. Oh, bananas.
What do you have?
Strawberry. Or grape.
No, it's strawberry.
Yeah.
I want to try a pear. Oh, there's one pear.
Give me a pear.
There's only one.
Oh. It looks like a pepper. I love the banana. The bananas is my favorite. Next one.
No, I think my guys, I like these. I'm just shoving them in.
Open your mouth.
No, you eat the strawberry.
I don't want the strawberries. Next one. I want to pick. Just to make sure I'm not cheating. I love Barney Bears. I love these. Can't you eat them? I'm gonna move my chair a bit more because my face is not coming in the camera. Okay, ready?
I still have the fruit strips in my mouth.
Okay, I'm gonna start. Wait, is that 2 or 1?
There's only one.
Okay, we'll do half.
Oh my god, look at that.
What do you mean? Oh my god, look at that. We've had it before. The last time I've had this was yesterday.
Last time I had it was 2 weeks ago.
You can have its head. You can have its body.
You can have its head. Look, so basically the little cake
and the chocolate inside.
Look, this is what I do. I like to take these splits off.
That's so neat.
Look, and then you just take the little ears off. Or you just shove it in my mouth like that. That's so good. I'm done.
Next one.
What is she onion? We have 2, but we're not gonna,
I've had these before, so I wouldn't.
So have I. I'm gonna start cleaning the setup a bit. I accidentally moved her chocolate mochitos, so now she's sad. It's like a bit of rubbish. What is this? You're not your father, Jesus.
I've had these before, don't worry.
They're alright. Yeah.
They're a bit bad. Not 12 30 yards. No, what? That's a waste of food.
I said I'm still eating. I'm just gonna bash them.
try them.
That's it.
You haven't tried them.
What? We all love this. Amazing once again.
You're covering my face.
Well, it's amazing once again, isn't it?
Oh, I like that shirt. What are you wearing?
Oh,
that's
good. Alright, I give that a 9 out of 10. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Bye.